Hey guys, it's your girl Reese. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to get into one of my favorite things ever, styling, and one of my favorite pieces in your closet ever, leather. So today I'd like to introduce to you, oh my god, my new best friend, this stunning leather jacket from All Saints, the Billy leather. And you're probably looking at me like, Reese, dog, it's June, July, like why are we talking about leather? It's hot as hell outside, which is true, but leather is one of those things that are super transcendent through all of the seasons, and I'm gonna show you how to style it in summer. I thought about this because I was walking down the street a couple weeks ago and a bunch of motorcycles drove by me, and they were all in cool leather jackets, and I'm like, it's 90 degrees outside and they're in leather, so if they can wear leather in 90 degrees, I can wear leather in 90 degrees. And I think the trick is to get a leather jacket that's lightly lined. Like, there's definitely leathers meant for colder seasons. Just don't get one of those. And even if you do get a lightly lined leather jacket, you can still wear it in the colder seasons. You just layer. And like, one of my favorite things to wear in the fall is a hoodie with a leather jacket, so totally cool. Anyways, let's hop right into styling leather for summer. So my first look is super Hailey Bieber inspired, is literally Daryl's t-shirt, which is a dress on me because he is 6'7" and I am not. So this men's t-shirt styled with a pair of black Doc Martens with neon laces, because neon is super in right now, and throw on my leather jacket, and it's super cool. It's like such a cool look. Super simple, super day look. I mean, the t-shirt is so light, so the leather jacket on top, even over your shoulders, won't like heat you too much and make you too warm. So that is look number one. So look number two is another casual bit. It is denim and leather. And denim and leather go together like white on rice. So you really can wear any denim with leather, really and truly. They just go together. Honestly, I think that is the easiest way to style leather, is with some jeans. So I went with my thrifted mom jeans, my favorite jeans right now, super repeat, and this cute knit crop top, yeah, from Aritzia. And I'm gonna pair it, or I paired it with these cute strappy sandals, like glittery sandals, to give it a little pizzazz. So more of a night look. Like, I would totally wear this to drinks with my girlfriends, or drinks with my husband, but more of like a night thing, dinner, whatever. But you could totally wear this outfit in the day. Like, I'd wear it with sneakers, just put on some chucks, wear it with a leather, and call it a day. And also, like, you could take your jacket off and put it on. Like, you don't always have to wear the leather. It can come off your body. So my third look is another reason why I love leather so much, is because it's transcendent from day to night. So this look is with this cute mini dress, tiny mini dress from Rat & Boa. I love it. The brand is amazing. You can wear this in day to night, or day or night too, but I'm styling it for night. So I'm gonna wear this dress with a nice pair of pumps and throw on the leather, and it gives it a more like elevated, cool look instead of like the girlier look. So I mean, if I were to actually wear this out and go out, I'd probably like slick back my hair into like a small bun, or like in a pony, and then wear like these big gold hoops in my heels, and then throw on my leather, and it's super cool. So my next look is also another dressier look. This leather jacket in particular is black, and I think it's easiest to style a black leather jacket, though brown works just as easily, and like those cream colors do work easily as well and are great for the summer. But black goes with everything, and I mean, leather goes with everything, but black leather goes with everything even more. So I paired my black leather with a black dress. So simple black dress. This is by Helmut Lang, and it's just super simple, but it has like a crazy slit, if I can find it. So super crazy slit on the side, so it makes it a little bit sexy. I'm gonna pair it with what is it called? The see-through clear sandal stuff? Whatever the hell they're called. But I pair it with that. And this can be like dressy day or night really, because it's not like those tight fitted slip dresses. It's pretty loose slip dress, but it does have the sexy factor. And then throw the leather jacket on and it gives you that cool factor again. So I love this. It's super light again, so the leather on top doesn't overwhelm me with warmth. And then my last look is biker shorts. Like, I never thought I'd be wearing biker shorts so much. Ow. But biker shorts or like denim shorts, again, denim and leather. But biker shorts with a graphic tee, but for me, I'm obsessed with this right now, so it's a graphic long sleeve. Might overheat you, but I wore this last week at night though, and I was just fine. Actually, it wasn't even night, it was like evening to night. I'm wearing it with my, what do you call it, slides, but you can wear it with boots. I wore it with Docs when I actually went out. You can wear it with sneakers, but it goes super well. And like the look itself is kind of boring, but when you throw on the leather jacket, I think it gives it a more polished look. Again, cool guy. So I guess I could title this like cool guy leather styling. Everything plus leather is so cool. So those were my 5 ways of styling leather. Again, leather literally goes with everything in the world, so you can put it on anything. These are just 5 of my favorite ways to wear it. And I choose leather, and I love leather jackets because they're super long lasting. They stay in style typically. I think they age very well. If you get a real leather jacket, it ages like fine wine. Honestly, the more you wear it, the softer, the more comfortable it is, the more durable. I mean, leather is durable. I used to buy fake or faux leather, which is totally okay too. You can find some amazing faux leather jackets if you're not into wearing leather, or you know the price point is too high, because it is a little bit more costly, but totally worth the investment, I think. Yeah, I would still choose to like find a higher quality faux leather, just because it looks better, to be honest. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you got some good tips and tricks out of my video, maybe some new ways to style your leather, or maybe you go out and invest in a leather, whichever it is. I hope you got something from this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week.